Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will share the accommodations we stayed in Vietnam together with their prices and other details. We stayed in Vietnam for 8 days and 7 nights and we booked all of this in Agoda. And we only spent a total of 11,359.28 pesos. So, if you are planning a trip to Vietnam, please watch this video and don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button for more videos like this. On our first day, we stayed in Sunny Hanoi Homestay for only 1,055 pesos per night. And we stayed here for one night dahil kinabukasan we will be going to Sapa. This room offers an overlooking view of the street ng Hanoi. Pagpasok ng room, the bright sun will greet you. Kaya siguro to tinawag na Sunny Hanoi Homestay dahil sa maliwanag na araw. And on the left side is the CR that is complete with bidet, shower, lababo, bowl, and basic restroom supplies. On this room, we have a double bed, electric fan, aircon, and a sala set where you can have your coffee with a view of the city and roof of other buildings. The room comes with free coffee, but take note that the water is not free. Cost 10,000 Vietnamese dong, kaya bumili na lang kami sa labas. Ito yung landmark sa labas and itsura ng reception nila. Take note na karamihan ng homestay sa Hanoi ay walang elevator, so plan your baggage. Sobrang lapit lang ng Sunny Hanoi Homestay sa Old Quarter and walking distance yung Beer Street, kaya less pamasahe ka if you are going to that places and then restaurants and then cafes near the Old Quarter. We don't avail the breakfast dahil kinabukasan, our plan is to have a brunch at Tom's Cafe, which is yun yung waiting area for the bus going to Sapa. After 6 hours of travel, finally we are here in Sapa and gabi na nga kami nakarating. But here are the view of our accommodation at night before kami magpahinga. Kinabukasan, we started our day with a free breakfast included in our booking. This is the view of our homestay and sobrang ganda. Ang aesthetic niya and Instagrammable. Meron din itong bathtub na pwedeng lagyan ng hot water tapos magbababad ka lang dyan after a long and tiring day or gala. Maybe you just want to relax at all and sobrang nakaka-relax niya. Pag ganito yung view ay naku talaga mapapakape ka na lang and chill kahit acidic ka. Yung homestay pala ay may sariling restaurant where you can order authentic Vietnamese food. Kaya sure, hindi ka magugutom dito. And for sure, kanina nyo pa inaabangan yung pangalan ng homestay. Sorry na. Yung homestay pala is the Valley View Homestay. We booked this for only 4,132.56 pesos for 3 nights or around 1,378 pesos per night. Sobrang sulit dahil breakfast included na and sobrang ganda ng view. And eto nga palang Valley View Homestay is sobrang lapit lang din sa Moana Sapa. Yung Moana Sapa is isang tourist attraction sa Sapa and I will include that sa isang video natin tungkol naman sa mga pinuntahan namin sa Vietnam. So stay tuned for that. The Valley View Homestay is 15 minutes walk from Sapa Town. Pwede kayong maglakad pero I suggest mag-book na lang kayo ng Grab since around 60 pesos lang naman. Meron lang din itong 150 meters na lalakarin from the main road. Matarik siya and paahon. Sobrang nakakahingal talaga. Di bale, sabi nga nila guys, the best view comes after the hardest climb. So ayun lang and we will going back to Hanoi after our 3 nights stay here at Sapa. Sobrang ganda nitong Valley View Homestay and we enjoyed our stay here. Guys, we're back in Hanoi and we stayed in Hanoi Calido Hotel. We booked it for only 6,171 pesos for 3 nights or around 2,057 pesos per night. Breakfast included na din siya. This is a hotel kaya may elevator na to and thanks God kasi 4th floor kami. Haha. Gabi na rin kami nakarating and sobrang cozy and ganda ng hotel na to. We booked yung may city view pero for a reason na hindi ko na inalam is walang view yung amin. Pero satisfied ako sa ganda ng hotel and amenities nito. We have a chandelier near our bed, lamp, and a working station. We have a coffee, tea, and then free water. May ref na din and complete supply sa CR or shower room. Then magkahiwalay na rin pala ito. The breakfast included is pho or beef noodle soup with fruits, coffee, or tea. This is inside the old quarter and sobrang lapit nito sa Train Street. Mga 3 minutes walk lang. Kaya pwede ka magpabalik-balik sa Train Street para makakuha ka ng mga magagandang pictures. And guys, ayun lang lahat ng pinagstayan namin sa Vietnam. And let me know if you have questions by dropping a comment here and I will be happy to answer it. Thank you so much for watching.